What's going on, everybody? I know you guys probably saw my post on my YouTube page. Wasn't able to film a lot this week, but I'm very blessed that the hurricane was able to avoid a lot of places. Was able to avoid pretty much a majority of South Florida, but my heart goes out to everybody involved, and west side on the west coast, all the way up from Marco Island to Naples, Fort Myers, Sarasota, Tampa, and onward. My heart's with you guys. I totally know how it is. I've been through hurricanes my entire life living in this state, so just wanted to stop and mention that a lot of people were involved. And I know I mentioned on my YouTube post that it prevented me from filming, but God forbid, safety is most important before you do anything content-wise. So I have family on the West Coast, a lot of family and friends, so my heart goes out to them and everybody involved. So anyway, enjoy the video, guys. And we're back. We are back. Another video, another day in the life of what I just love to do for a living, as I yap my mouth away and bore you guys to death until I actually get to the cool stuff. But no recording this week. Pretty gnarly hurricane that passed through the state. A lot of people were impacted by it. God bless them and people that were involved. I hope for them to have a speedy recovery. I hope nothing but good health for them. So we're kind of sidelined for the past week. Just constant rain from the outer bands and stuff. Just constant rain and storming. So I was just a little puppy waiting to go outside and just film, because I care more about safety than content. So, but we're here on our way, Fort Lauderdale, meeting back up with Steven again. If you guys remember him, he's one of the head guys at Limited Spec Miami. You guys probably remember him from the SF90 Spider video, pin right here. He put together something really cool for me. Shout out to James, one of the head guys at 1016 Industries, James and Peter. They do a lot of carbon fiber body kits for a lot of exotic supercars. They kind of put me in touch with this car, and then Steven circled back around too, and he said, "Hey Kyle, I got something cool for us." So it's kind of all one big collaborative effort. Brand new wheel company that I've never heard of until this day, called 1886 Wheels. I hope I didn't botch that. Yeah, just found out about them today. I kind of don't want to spoil it, but I'll spoil it anyway. Blacked out Ferrari 812 GTS, full 1016 kit on it, full 1886 forged wheels, and an insane tailor-made custom, I want to say like a racing yellow interior to match the carbon ceramics. So car is like bad to the ass. It is so sick. I'm really excited for it. We're almost there. It's gonna be a nice evening shoot. We might be able to drive it, might not. It's for a client, I think an athlete, I don't know for sure, but it's gonna get flatbedded there and we're gonna have some fun with it. So follow me along, guys. I'm almost there. I'm really excited for it. Let's go. Well, there she is. So these are 1886 wheels. I've never seen this company. Must be new. I'll do my research, but these are awesome. Wheels look great. This car looks great. Full 1016 kit, as I said. You guys can probably see me in the reflection. This carbon is so shiny. Full 1016 kit. The one thing I love, duckbill up there, full carbon diffuser, full carbon side skirts, and I believe the whole front lip. Yes, and the front lip too. And I think there's some other stuff, but I'm not for sure. But yeah, full yellow interior. So this thing is awesome. I am so stoked. Steven's almost here. Let's take this thing down. We're gonna have some fun with it. Fashionably late. This man. So Steven's got no idea he's got to go up this mountain of a steep right here. Come on. Three-wheeling that thing. All right, he's late. We need to leave. A little late. As I literally said, he said 5 minutes, and it turned out to be 20. Dude, I already gave a little reintroduction. Yeah? Everybody already knows you. All right, cool. What's going on, man? What's your name?
John.
John, it's a pleasure to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Dude, Nice car, bro.
Yeah, we got pulled over and
Yeah.
Did you actually get pulled over, or are you lying?
Nah.
I don't know. I'll let everybody decide if he's bullshitting or not. All right. Do your thing.
We ran. We got away though.
No. Stop. Don't say that. So tell me, what is the color of this interior?
Yellow.
You're just not gonna say some Italian name that nobody could pronounce? All right, yeah, we're not gonna say an Italian name that nobody can pronounce, but I'm just gonna say it's racing yellow because it's a Porsche thing.
Right, racing yellow.
Dude, this thing is nuts, bro. So I have to ask.
Yeah.
What's the MSRP on this?
Nah, we can't. Shut up the camera.
Make it right here, but let me hear it. You need to watch with the cursing. I got kids on here.
Yeah.
I'm just messing. I'm just messing with you. What? Dude, that thing's too loud. So picked this spot because of not only did they just completely redo the yellow barriers here, because if you take a look at the yellow headrest here, and then if you look at the yellow here, you can see that everything matches literally perfectly. So only here for about 45 minutes, and then we're gonna do some rolling photo and video. So I'm just driving around just to talk to you guys while I'm in this thing. It's my first time in the GTS. I'm a big fan of it. I've always been a fan of the 812. I'm really looking forward to the 12 Cylindre. Hopefully I said that correctly. But anyway, enjoy the B-roll footage, guys. I got some photos and videos to take. All right, so these guys want me to kick it sideways.
So I'm gonna kick it sideways. You ready? I have your permission, Steven.
Hey, but hey, you have my permission, but if you crash it, you buy it.
It's not gonna crash. All right, just say yes, you have my permission.
Yes, you have my permission.
You guys ready? I told you I was a pro. All right, so we're all done. Steven was oh so great with letting me hoon the car a little bit. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
I had to he kind of poked fun at it. I had to make sure that I was actually allowed to, because this is his car at the end of the day. Again, dude, I appreciate it. Anyway, so back to it. This is probably one of my favorite 812 GTSs, probably one of my favorite 812 specs I've ever seen. Again, as you guys probably saw, full 1016 kit, 1886 wheels, and that awesome custom yellow interior. We're not even gonna go with whatever the name is. Steven kind of just said, we're not even gonna say the Italian name, we're just gonna say yellow. So it matches, car looks great, car is bad to the ass. Now, let's go do some rolling shots. Rolling shots, videos.
Yeah.
All right, let's get out of here. Anything you want to say?
The next car is going to be even better. Who knows what it is?
Dude, a little Tom Brady effect. Which one's your favorite Super Bowl ring? The next one.
Exactly.
All right, bro, let's go. Hold on, hold on. All right, so wow, what an epic shoot. I had no idea I would, you know, get the dust off a little bit doing some tire slaying, but it's always fun doing that, man. I mean, for those who've been following me for the last 10 years have known that from all my cars, from my Chargers to my Hellcat to, I think I even drifted my Taycan, my Supra. I haven't done any donuts yet in the GT4. I want to do that soon before I get rid of it, but it was really nice to take the dust off a little bit and have some fun doing that. But again, big shout out to Steven, longtime friend of mine, good client of mine, Limited Spec, Santi, owner of Limited Spec. You know, you guys are all great people. By the time you guys see this, the car will be sold. Brand new tires were gonna go on it, full service, oil change, everything. So we had a lot of fun before it went into Ferrari to get a full service on it, and then the car was off. The owner was like, yeah, do your thing, have fun. So luckily, we're all good. Again, Santi, Limited Spec, and my boy, my friend, and good client of mine, Steven. Great hustler, great salesman, huge guy for the industry down here in Miami. Not a fake guy, no BS, just straight, just good, passionate automotive enthusiast. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know I'm doing my best to not yap so much, but had a lot of fun. I know I love to retort myself with all that. So, again, had a lot of fun. You know, it's a blessing to be able to do this every day, guys. So hope you guys liked it. Loved all the comments and the reach out, the direct messages and everything from the last video. The Target video was a lot of fun. Shout out to Omar for that one. But again, until next time, guys, I am looking forward to showing you more of my wonderful, wonderful life. Later, guys. God bless.